Had a rather drastic window wiper failure. This is the old one, and this is the new one. What happened is the entire flat part of the blade that does the wiping just broke right off from the rest of it. Now, I've seen these fail before in the sense that they stop working very well, but this is ridiculous. I've never seen that happen before. This one is Michelin's branded, and this one is Rinks. So let's see if this one is any better. I don't like the way this is designed because when it fails, you have to replace the entire thing, not just the blade. You know, because really, this whole metal part is fine still. It's just this blade that broke it. If I could just slide this out and put a new blade on there, I'd much rather do that. But I don't think you can, because there's a lot of wasted material like this. But anyways, that's that. We'll see how long that lasts.